Are you worried about losing your WhatsApp messages on your iPhone? Whether you've just got a new device or accidentally deleted your chats, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to restore your WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. First, let's open up the WhatsApp and then tap on Settings icon at the bottom right hand corner. Next, go to the Chats and select Chat Backup. Here you can see if your WhatsApp messages have been backed up to the cloud. If so, all you have to do is install WhatsApp on another device. Enter your phone number and all your messages should be imported and downloaded onto your iPhone. If that doesn't work, let's check if your WhatsApp is backed up in your iCloud account. Go to your iPhone settings here on your home screen, tap on your name at the top and select iCloud. Under Apps using iCloud, tap on Show All and find WhatsApp on the list. If it's there, great. Go back and tap on the iCloud Backup and select the backup at the bottom. Make sure WhatsApp is included in the backup. Then, restore your iPhone to this backup. Your WhatsApp messages should be restored to your iPhone. So, those are 2 different ways to restore your WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Whether you've lost your device or simply deleted your chats, you can rest assured that your conversations are not lost forever. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.